Video, I'll be providing with you with an overview of purification of water in a large scale and in a small scale. So starting from the large scale. In large scale, we basically have three steps. The first one being the storage. Then second one being the filtration. And then the disinfection. Now in storage also, you will have, it is basically a method of natural purification. In this also further, you will have four types. One is the physical, chemical, biological, and just another note, optimum period of storage 10 to 14 days. This leads to the growth of algae, which is going to lead to bad odor and smell. Over here, 90% of the suspended impurities, they settle down in 24 hours by gravity. Then allow penetration of sunlight. Over here, aerobic bacteria, they oxidize nitrogen gas and ammonia into nitrate ions. All right. Then biological, in 5 to 7 days, 90% of the microorganisms are killed. All right. In filtration, very important, we'll talk about rapid sand filtration and slow sand filtration. All right, in another video in detail. Then disinfection, very important. It is usually done with a lot of different agents, either chemically, mostly chemically. So in chemically also, we will see that it is being done with the help of chlorine, then perchlorate, then high test fluorohydroxide. All right. Also, in disinfection, the first thing that should come into your mind is chlorination. In chlorination also, there is one very important topic, which is breakpoint chlorination and superchlorination. In breakpoint chlorination, basically, the way how chlorination is done is we add Cl2 to the water. So it leads to the formation of hydrochloride and hypochlorous chloride. This hypochlorous chloride is the main active compound that is there. Now this usually this dissociates into H positive and OCl negative. Now O is the superoxide ion, which is required for the disinfection. Now what happens is also the chloride ion. Now what happens is in breakpoint chlorination, there is a point when you are adding chlorine and chlorine gas is only being seen in the water. That is, it is not leading to the formation of the hypochlorous acid and the hydrochloric acid. All right. So this is the condition which is called as breakpoint chlorination, something like titration in chemistry that we used to do in 11th and 12th. All right. Then there is superchlorination, in which you have added a lot of chlorine. All right. Then coming on to the another thing that we can talk about in purification is UV radiation. Yeah, then UV radiation can also be used. Now in small scale, first of all, small scale is basically for household purposes. So in household purposes, you should be reminded of boiling water, then steam distillation, then chemical disinfection. In chemical disinfection, bleaching powder, KMNO4, chloride solution, high test hypochlorite, chloride tablets, chlorine tablets, halazone tablets, iodine for emergency disinfection, then KMNO4. All right.